I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to.
We're gonna eat some tacos, some brisket tacos.
They're so good, so good.
When I tell you so good.
I'm trying to think where.
There we go.
I think.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't eat the chips.
Thank you.
You're gonna be so full, complaining. I shouldn't have ate the chips every single time.
I know.
You think it's like every Mexican restaurant always serve chips? And they just want to get you full faster? They just being nice?
I don't know.
No.
I think they're just trying to like give you something like welcoming. Like, hello, we're gonna, we have hot chips that are delicious and you can eat.
As long as they're warm. It's pretty good.
See, like this is so tiny, it's not
Just
even
keep eating them.
really, it's not really a full chip.
Thought about the reason they can give you salsa. Burns the taste buds right off your tongue. Can't taste anything. So when you eat it, you're like, that's good. Might not be good.
But this is good.
But this is good. This is actually good. So stay tuned.
On this episode of Devin's
Los
Salts.
Reyes.
Just let it sit on your tongue. It's gonna absorb the hotness. Like when you eat something spicy and you drink milk and like put bread on your tongue. Yeah, it's a thing.
Milk. The bread.
Yeah, you just put the cracker or the bread on your tongue and it will kill the spicy. It's a real thing.
Oh, okay.
Never heard of that? And
It's dead.
no, it's like and it kills the spicy.
Got you. Show the goods.
Like look, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Now you know what's good. Dang, you got text messages.
Who is it?
You have 110 text messages.
Yeah.
That is what your problem is.
What's my problem?
In life.
Oh.
How can you have 100? That gives me anxiety. I can't even imagine. 110. You're from Dallas, New York.
So I don't know if you guys do this, but I do this. When somebody texts me and I'm working, I see it and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna open that later and reply to it. That's why I don't open it. But what happens
That's
is,
why you have 110 text messages.
what happens is, get done that tattooing and just don't look at my phone until the next day and completely forget about the text message. So I apologize, nothing personal if it happens to you guys.
All 110, that way if it says like notification, you have one text message, then you can open that one.
Yeah.
And so it'd be like, oh, 110, 120. I mean, I don't know the difference. It was 100 and something.
Yeah. Same thing with DMs. Just,
That's your problem.
Have anything in my teeth?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right there.
Walk to Starbucks?
Can you see that? 95 degrees. 95.
Shorts
Are you
on?
trying to take me out? I'm gonna
Alright,
literally
let's
have
go.
sweat dripping, and then my Starbucks is gonna, by the time it goes from the inside to the outside, I'm not gonna have maybe 3 ice cubes left in there. I want you to take this car and drive me through the drive-thru.
I got you.
And I can drink my Starbucks in the car with the AC blowing on my face.
Cooled seats.
Cooled seats on
Trying to go.
the freaking road.
The bougiest Starbucks that we have in Baton Rouge.
This one?
Not bougie, but it's the nicest one.
Nuh-uh. O'Neill's nice too.
Yeah, O'Neill's pretty nice.
Hello, what can we get started for you?
You want what's on?
Go ahead and do.
Can Can I get a venti iced chai tea latte
with almond milk.
with almond milk?
Venti iced chai with almond milk. Anything else?
Shaken.
And can I get that shaken?
And then the venti iced.
And then also, can I get a venti iced matcha latte with oat milk shaken?
You forgot chai tea?
Yeah, I was like, it's brown, it's light brown. I don't know. Look like coffee, but
I literally just told you.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too.
Latte, and let's see yours.
007 style. There you go. You know what's weird? This one's way lighter than that one. Feel it.
This has more ice in it then. Yeah, that one has more ice.
Here.
Nice.
Mine's shaking, baby.
Ooh, mine is too. And look at the bottom. Nothing on the bottom. Usually if they don't shake it, it's like super dark. All the stuff goes to the bottom.
Told you that one was good.
They did this right. They did it right.
Cheers. Not good. I got my car a couple days ago. Had a little light pop up. Yep. I have a screw in my tire. Hopefully they can patch it. If not, gotta replace it.
I gotta show appreciation. I like your car, bro.
I appreciate it, man.
Hey, JB.
Oh yeah, we're
Definitely not fair.
Didn't have it in stock. We ordered it.
so hot.
$400 later. I'm getting it installed Monday, so. Colorado's calling our name.
We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna.
Gonna switch vehicles real quick. Come here, get in the frame, get in the frame, get in the frame. We ready?
Yep.
1, 2. Okay. Rare sighting. Look how beautiful that thing is. Gee! That thing is beautiful.
They gotta be in a climate shock because they're from Montana and you know it's beautiful there too. And it's so hot here. So they're probably like, what the heck?
What the heck?
What the heck?
Dang. It's so daggum hot.
They're like, am I in an oven or an air fryer? That's what Louisiana air is, an air fryer.
All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the house that we're about to rent. It's still in construction, but we're just gonna show you guys around. But before that happens, I should have been filming.
It's not funny.
Look, this is the steering wheel on the Denali, and Escalade had a little volume up, volume down button. And when she was driving the other day, she was like, oh, it doesn't have that. I don't know why they don't have it on the steering wheel. This doesn't push in. I was like, are you sure it's not on the back? And she was like, no, that's a paddle shifter. I'm not gonna push that.
I'm gonna show what it looks like.
So, anyways, when I was driving last night, I figured it out. The back side of it is a volume up, volume down. So I was like, next time I drive the car, I'm gonna push this and push the volume up, push the volume down at the same time, and I'm gonna mess with her. And I did it, and I was like, baby, you just gotta push it really hard.
Like, my finger was shaking trying to push it. I'm surprised I didn't break the steering wheel. I fell for it so hard. I was like, why can you do it? I can't do it. I even had 2 thumbs like trying to press it.
Let's go look at the house. Still super dirty little driveway. It's a little warm in here. Definitely gotta fix this. Oof. Master. Carpet in the bedrooms, but I actually prefer carpet in the bedrooms because I like to be cozy. Decent little closet. Who you talking to? Oh, okay.
This is the kitchen.
What you gonna be doing? You gonna be cooking right here?
It's a level.
That is a window in the garage. A+. Our last one had that. It's a pretty... So ready to be out of the apartment. Get back in here. Dinner's almost done. You look majestic.
There's just a moth trapped in there and 2 big flies. So I think...
When I tell you it's so good,